Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Wi-Fi or internet connectivity problems on your IQOO series smartphone, and you can try the steps to all the models. Okay, so let's get into the step. So first one is all about you have to check if the reason is to this problem is a fault in your Wi-Fi router. So that is what you have to check, because you have given all the credentials but still not able to get connected. Then definitely that is the issue. Moving to the next one, there are chances that the default Wi-Fi driver software is causing the problem. So you have to make sure you have to do the parallel workarounds, like you have to update the softwares, you have to be on the latest version of OS, which can also directly fix the issue. Keeping the mobile data off on your phone when you are connecting into the Wi-Fi with an Wi-Fi internet connection, there can also be a trouble. So make sure when you're trying to connect to the Wi-Fi, turn off your mobile internet, so which is quite important, and you have to try to the Wi-Fi. Most probably that has to be fixed, and make sure the Wi-Fi hotspot is not turned on. This can be a reason to the problem. So parallelly you have to make sure that you're not, when you're trying to connect to the Wi-Fi, make sure the hotspot is not enabled, or you'll be having the trouble in the vice versa. And make sure any of the app installed on your devices is not responsible for this problem. So this usually happens when the app is installed, which is having the from third-party website, and all those things can cause issue up. So you have to make sure two things. You have to make sure this part, and also make sure that you are not downloading the app from the third party, download it from the Play Store itself. Check automatic connection of the phone to a nearby authorized Wi-Fi connection, which can be done from here, but here I am having the Wi-Fi far away, so I can't do that. You have to make sure this step, so this will be working out. And also the reason to this problem is entering an outdated password, so which is it's actually depends on with us. When you're trying to get into connected to any network, make sure the network name, as well as if you're trying to connect to a wrong network, giving a right password also won't work. Simultaneously you have to connect to a particular one itself, and you have to give the credentials correctly so that it will work. The Wi-Fi router can have an error in the configuration of the same, so you have to check in that way, and you have to contact the support, and you have to do the necessary step. Moving to the next one is, there are certain chances that the actual problem is caused just because of an error in the phone browser you are using. So you have to make sure that part. Perform a general reboot and check if this helps to fix the issue. Sometimes a basic restart can fix the issue up, and also possibly the reason you are facing this problem is nothing but a fault that is caused in the Wi-Fi antenna of the phone or router. So you have to check parallelly. If you're having an issue with the Wi-Fi antenna, then you just have to talk to the expert simultaneously for your smartphone also. So these are the workarounds which you have to try out when you're having an issue with the Wi-Fi internet connectivity problems. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.